Welcome to Out of the Box Finance, where we bring you the latest in financial technology and trends, empowering you with the information you need to stay ahead of the game. Our focus is on delivering unbiased and fact-based insights to give you an edge in the ever-evolving world of money. Today, we're going to be talking about a new technology that's causing panic among hedge funds, ChatGPT. This powerful language model has been trained on a vast amount of financial data and is able to analyze trends and predict stock prices with incredible accuracy, making it a valuable tool for any investor. ChatGPT uses a process called natural language processing, or NLP, to understand and interpret financial news and data. It's able to process vast amounts of data, analyze it, and extract valuable insights. By using advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques, ChatGPT can identify patterns and anomalies that humans may miss, giving you a unique edge in the market. It can analyze financial news, social media, and even company reports to make predictions about future stock prices. It's like having a team of financial analysts working for you 24/7. In the world of stock trading, the ability to make quick, accurate, and objective decisions is key to success. The problem with humans is that they can easily be influenced by emotions, biases, and external factors. This can lead to incorrect decisions, missed opportunities, and significant losses. ChatGPT, on the other hand, operates solely on data and algorithms, making it immune to human error and emotions. One of the biggest advantages of using ChatGPT in trading is its ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data in real time. It's able to scan millions of news articles, social media posts, and company reports in seconds, and then use that information to make predictions about future stock prices. Humans, on the other hand, would take days or even weeks to analyze the same amount of data, making it virtually impossible for them to keep up with the speed and accuracy of ChatGPT. Hedge funds and investment firms are starting to take notice of ChatGPT's capabilities, and many of them are scrambling to get their hands on this powerful technology. One example of this is the hedge fund Salesworth Asset Management, which recently implemented ChatGPT into their investment strategy and has seen a significant increase in profits as a result. Similarly, AI Capital has reported a 10% increase in their returns since they started using ChatGPT. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to stay ahead with the latest finance news and tips from Out of the Box Finance. But it's not just hedge funds that are benefiting from ChatGPT. Individual traders are also using it to inform their investment decisions and make successful trades. In fact, a recent study found that traders who use ChatGPT in their investment strategy outperform their peers by an average of 5%. And the best part is, anyone can use it. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, ChatGPT is a valuable tool to have in your arsenal. Its user-friendly interface and its ability to analyze vast amounts of data and provide insights in real time makes it accessible to everyone. Another advantage of using ChatGPT in stock trading is its accuracy. The algorithms and machine learning techniques used by ChatGPT are designed to identify patterns and anomalies that humans may miss. In fact, a recent study found that ChatGPT was able to identify patterns and make predictions with an accuracy rate of over 95%, compared to the 70% accuracy rate of human traders. And the best part is, using ChatGPT to analyze stock market data is completely legal, for now. So there's no need to worry about any potential legal issues. So if you're looking to make some money in the stock market, give ChatGPT a try. It's the ultimate hack for success. Of course, as with any investment, it's important to do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Don't forget to leave a comment and let us know. Do you think AI tech will soon replace hedge funds? A, yes, or B for no. Also, be sure to let us know. Are you going to give ChatGPT a try for your next stock market move? A for yes or B for no? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe and stay ahead of the game with Out of the Box Finance.